Hey there, NFT fans. If you're into NFTs, which I presume you are, you'll know about Opensea. But what you probably don't know is the dark goings on, the underbelly. They've been accused of insider trading. They've been having problems with hacks. People have been selling their NFTs and getting frozen. And what we're going to highlight today is no far short cry of that. We're going to look at two people that got hacked and frozen. So this one guy had the Azuki NFTs and he had 17 stolen. 15 were stolen in the same minute and 2 were stolen 3 minutes later. And surprisingly, 43 minutes after that, the whole lot were sold. And this guy was gone. And as it says here, the buying the stolen NFTs and became a victim of indirect victims, because obviously them assets got stolen. So people were selling them, he would have cleared the Ethereum out and then they got blocked. As well as this guy here. Here is a thread about OpenSea unreasonably blocking an account and freezing all the NFT assets because the guy got accepted for 40 weeks for a Bored 8 yacht club. Now it doesn't say whether that 8 was stolen or it doesn't say what it is. So the moral of this story is, if you're into NFTs, yes, it's good to get a bargain, but the way the corruption's going on at OpenSea, always be careful and always cover your back. And remember, do your own bloody research.